Mr. Musk and SpaceX didn't answer demands for input. In a post on X after this article was distributed, Mr. Musk said he had not chipped in his sperm and that nobody at SpaceX had been coordinated to deal with a Martian city. At the point when individuals have requested to do as such, I've said we really want to zero in on arriving first, he composed. Saving humankind. Mr. Musk has been intrigued by Mars since perusing Isaac Asimov's 1951 sci-fi novel, Establishment, when he was 10. In the book, the hero constructs a province across a universe to save humankind from the fall of an interstellar realm. They track down a planet far away from the cosmic focus and attempt to safeguard human information and progress there, while the focal point of the universe sort of self-destructs, Mr. Musk said in a 2013 meeting for a science video. In 2001, Mr. Musk had a go at purchasing a Russian rocket to arrive at Mars, said Jim Cantrell, a previous SpaceX worker who visited Russia with him that year. Be that as it may, after 3 excursions, the Russians wouldn't sell, and one authority spit on Mr. Musk's shoes, Mr. Cantrell said. In 2002, Mr. Musk established SpaceX, a secretly held organization in Hawthorne, Calif. It at last made part of the way reusable rockets and landed government contracts, incorporating with NASA. Lately, it began Starlink, a satellite web access that has extended around the world. To arrive at Mars, SpaceX has constructed Starship, an almost 400-foot reusable rocket. Starship's quick intention is to take NASA space travelers to the moon, however it could later ship inhabitants to Mars and could likewise go about as a little space station. A future form of Starship might have a living space in its nose, 3 individuals acquainted with the rocket said. Plans require a few stories of living quarters, with conveniences like a running track and a cinema, 2 individuals said. One drawing of Starship's inside, a variant of which Mr. Musk has posted on X, shows a violin player drifting in no gravity as she plays for a group. Starship might convey 100 travelers all at once to Mars, an excursion that would occur about like clockwork, Mr. Musk told the Global Astronautical Congress in a 2016 show. NASA has said an excursion to Mars, situated around 140 million miles from Earth, would require as long as 9 months. In 2018, SpaceX engineers assembled with college scientists and others for a confidential gathering in Colorado to examine the innovation expected to make due on Mars, as per notes of the gathering got by the Times. Points included collecting ice to make water and choosing the right region on Mars to construct a state. By last year, the most recent renditions of Starship had been worked at Starbase, a SpaceX office in Boca Chica, Texas. In June, Starship effectively got back from a practice run to space. Interestingly, Starship could pass 100 explorers at the same time onto Mars, a journey that would happen about as expected, Mr. Musk told the Worldwide Astronautical Congress in a 2016 show. NASA has said an outing to Mars, arranged around 140 million miles from Earth, would expect up to 9 months. In 2018, SpaceX engineers collected with school researchers and others for a classified assembling in Colorado to look at the development expected to make due on Mars, according to notes of the social event got by the Times. Guides I included gathering ice toward make water and picking the right district on Mars to build a state. By last year, the latest versions of Starship had been worked at Starbase, a SpaceX office in Boca Chica, Texas. In June, Starship successfully returned from a training hurry to Curiosity.